Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to replace the bungee strap that holds the paddle on a Hobie Kayak. You need a needle nose plier and a knife. First, you take the needle nose plier and you remove the nut that holds the bungee strap. Then, you cut the bungee strap to length. You slide the nut back on and you tie a knot in the end of the rope so that the nut stays on. Then, you screw the nut back in with a needle nose plier and you'll be done. Now your paddle will be held up. Boom. Good as new. Here's a longer tutorial that explains it more in depth. I recommend viewing at 1.5 times speed. Hey fellow fishermen, here's a quick tutorial on how to replace the Hobie bungee straps that hold the paddles. You need two things. You need a pair of needle nose pliers and a knife of any kind that can cut the bungee strap. All right, let's go. All you have to do is use the needle nose pliers to get in and remove one of these. Simply put it in the holes, clamp down, and twist to the left. You might have to re-grasp it a couple times. You can take it out, and yeah, it's simply a screw out dealio that has a knot in it. So what we'll do, since the problem on mine is just that the bungee cord is stretched out, I can keep using this same one. All I have to do is make sure that I have the right amount of line this time. And be sure to leave a little extra so that you can tie the knot. So, I don't know, an extra little bit. I'd rather have too much than too little, that should be good. So I'll cut my extra with my knife. All right, now that we have only the bit we need, and I'll give you a closer look at this cap here. You can see how it has these two little holes, and this is how I fit my pliers into it. Right like that, and then I twist. Okay. And so all we need to do now is run our bungee cord back through the hole, tie it up to the desired length, and then screw it back in. So I'm thinking about that length should be good. So I'll tie this up. Actually. And any knot will really do for this guy. All right, about there should be good. So I have a little extra more than I needed, so I'm gonna cut it off. And now I just screw back the one side. And if you want to totally replace the bungee cord, you can do this exact same process, just take out both sides and obviously replace the bungee cord. Yeah, I saw a bunch of videos talking about how you need a vice grip or a certain type of like, Hobie tool, but the pliers works. The needle nose pliers works. And I didn't see anyone bring it up, so there we go. And I'll show you it here. Boom. Good as new. Thanks. Please feel free to leave your questions in the comments below.